Breaking news, guys, TikTok just added a game-changing feature and nobody's talking about it. Guys, do me a favor, if you can just double tap the screen for me. Believe me, guys, I'm telling you, you're gonna wanna save this just to go back to it. I'm gonna reveal what TikTok's game changer is right now. Guys, before you could only edit your description. You couldn't do any other edits to your video. Well, now, guys, TikTok has changed that. You can now go back and delete your video and then redo it with all the same captions. Guys, that is a game changer because if it's not getting the views you want, you can get rid of it and re-put it back on. Just change the wording a little bit. So guys, how you do that is on your front screen, you go to the three dots and then you slide over to edit, and then it'll give you the option to delete the video. I'm telling you guys, this is a game changer. If you found this useful and you want more useful tips and anything like that, guys, because I help people make money online, just type yes in the comments and I'll gladly share the information with you. Know your value.